Well, good morning. Today we are on Lesson 14, Session 1, page 277. We're continuing on using the 4 operations with negative numbers, with adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. We're beginning off here on the Explore of the Try It. Nota lives in Minnesota. He records the lowest temperature each day for 1 week. What is the mean of the temperatures? And here are the temperatures listed out. And as you'll notice, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 temperatures. And if you know about mean, you've got the mean mode, mean, median mode, range. Well, the mean is when you add them up and then you divide by the number of the number that you have in your data. Okay, so I would like for you to take this time, add those up, divide by the number of data that you have, and see what the mean would be of the temperatures. All right, what I did, I took all the temperatures down here, listed them out. Yes, you need to put the zeros also in there, and those also need to be counted as a number in your data, which there were 7 in the data. I almost added up the negatives together, got a negative 20 and 2/10, and I added the positives together and got 5 and 5/10. Well, here you have a negative and you have a positive. You have to take the difference of these and the sign of the greatest absolute value, which would be the negative here. So negative 14 and 7/10, and there are the 7 items in your data. And you divide by 7 and you get a negative 2 and 1/10. So the mean is a negative 2 and 1/10 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, moving on to connect it to the next page. It says, what's the mean of the temperatures? We found out a negative 2 and 1/10 degree, 2 and 1/10 degree Fahrenheit. Explain how you know. Well, the mean is the sum of the temperatures divided by the number of temperatures. And the sum is a negative 14 and 7/10. And there are 7 temperatures, so you divided and received as your answer a negative 2 and 1/10. Says you can find the mean by writing and simplifying an expression with rational numbers. When you solve a problem involving rational numbers, it can sometimes be hard to get a sense of how large or small the solution should be, or even whether it should be positive or negative. Starting by approximating the solution can help you understand the problem and decide whether your solution is reasonable. Okay, hold on just a second, please.